Hi, it's Dr. David Green, founder and CEO of R3 Stem Cell, the global leader in regenerative therapies. All right, today I'm continuing with the FAQ video series, and I'm up to number 11. What testing is performed on your donor tissue used for the stem cells? So we work with several birth tissue acquisition companies that are fully registered with the FDA and accredited, and they work with the donors to obtain the consent, a very long questionnaire to make sure that the donor is fit to be a donor. So they look at a lot of different variables, whether the donor is a smoker, any history of cancer, any family history of cancer, any recent travel, tattoos, a lot of different things. So the umbilical cord tissue itself gets tested for a litany of diseases underneath the FDA regulatory requirements for diseases such as HIV, hepatitis, syphilis, West Nile virus, Chaga disease, CMV, and there's more. I'm forgetting them off the top of my head. So those are the types of diseases that get tested for. You can see the lists right here on the screen. And after processing, the regenerative products get tested for bacteria, virus, fungus, and endotoxin prior to being released for any usage. All right, visit us online today at r3stemcell.com. Call us today for your free consultation at +1 844 GET STEM. R3 has over 70 centers in 7 countries around the world that have collectively performed over 26,000 stem cell procedures. Thank you.